And 19-year-old Deshaun Daley is on a one-man mission as the sole representative in track and field for Cumberland High in Portmore, St. Catherine. Daley, who is hoping to raise his school's profile by performing well at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, is also motivated to honor the memory of his mother and brother, both of whom he lost in 2025. Denise Walters has that piece.
A year ago, Deshaun Daley lost his mother just before the Issa Boys and Girls Championships and his brother thereafter. Mentally, it has been challenging for the teenager, but instead of being crippled by grief, he's turning his pain into purpose.
She was the breadwinner for my family. She motivated me to do what I can in track and field. So losing her was a big downfall, and all I can say is that I just want to make her proud and make everybody at my school and my family proud.
Grieving his loved ones understandably put a damper on his season last year, but this season he's determined to overcome.
It was a very tough season last season. You know, my mom dropping out and my little brother dropping out. It was very overwhelming, but I'm going to work on it the same way to make them proud and to see what I can do at these champs.
So far, he won his 200-meter race at the world-class development meet held at JC in January, clocking a personal best 22.27 seconds. He also won the half-lap event at the S.W. Isaac Henry Invitational and was a third at Sprintfest 200-meter. Additionally, he won his 100-meter heat at the Youngster Goldsmith Classic in a win-aided 10.65, while finishing fourth at Sprintfest 100. Daley ended 8th in the 100-meter final at the Central Athletics Championships behind winner Raheem Allison of Clarendon College.
All I can say is that we can't make numbers be something that we can't really do. So it's just hard work and determination to just make my school proud and make myself proud, and to see how far I can go with the track and field season.
And balancing school and athletics also presents its own challenges. Of note, he goes to school in Portmore and trains in Kingston.
Well, it's a pressure for true, you know, CXC and going to school, but I train at Kingston Technical Field with my coach, Coach Edwards. He trained me and pushed me enough to make it to champs.
But despite the hand he's been dealt, Daley is motivated to ensure his track career and education won't end after high school.
I want to aim for a scholarship too. You know, the universities overseas are here to pursue in my engineering and my track and field. So it's a lot of pressure, but I can still work with it.
Daley also wants to be an inspiration not just for his peers but for the school on a whole.
You have students there, they're very interested in doing tracks, but we just don't have a track and field program there for the students. So for like a person like me, you know, I would like to motivate my classmates and my students mates to, you know, work for what they want. Yes, I know I never moment, and I'm working very hard for it, you know. So all we have to do is just see what I can do for champs and for the national trials and junior trials.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.